C# encapsulation. What is C# encapsulation? When you have such type of data in which you need the grouping of related operations into a single unit, you can use encapsulation. Access modifiers, such as private, public, protected, internal, etc., can be used for achieving the encapsulation. The encapsulation is used most commonly for data hiding. Example of encapsulation? A capsule is one of the real-world examples of encapsulation, as the capsule binds all its medicinal materials within it. In the same way, C# encapsulation, i.e., units, class, interface, enums, structs, etc., encloses all its data members and member functions within it. Another real-world example of encapsulation can be your fruit basket. The basket contains different fruits like a mango, oranges, apple, etc. To get any fruit, you need to open that basket. Similarly, in C#, an encapsulation unit contains its data and behavior within it, and in order to access them, you need an object of that unit. Another real-world example of encapsulation can be your sweet basket. The basket contains different sweets like a rasgulla, apple cake, red velvet, etc. To get any sweet, you need to open that basket. Similarly, in C#, an encapsulation unit contains its data and behavior within it, and in order to access them, you need an object of that unit. In the given example, we have a fruit class which has fruit name property, and this property will be used here for hiding data. We have encapsulated fruit name fields in fruit name properties. What are advantages of the encapsulation? Data protection. Hides internal data from direct external access. Improved security. Prevents unauthorized modification of class members. Better maintainability. Changes in implementation don't affect external code. Controlled access. Allows validation through getters and setters. What are disadvantages of the encapsulation? Increased complexity. Adds extra code like getters and setters. Performance overhead. Slightly slower access due to method calls instead of direct access. More development time. Requires careful design and implementation. Over-encapsulation risk. Too much restriction can reduce flexibility and usability. Summary. The encapsulation is used for promoting the modularity, maintainability, and security in your code. Thank you for watching this C# encapsulation tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.